There's one question I get more than any other, and that is, how do I get enough protein in a plant-based diet? The protein fable we've been fed. It's a folktale that has people dazed and confused and even getting sick on misinformation. So here's the truth and nothing but the truth. When you eat a plant-based diet varied in legumes, vegetables, fruits, seeds, nuts, and whole grains, you're easily getting all your protein needs met. It's that simple. Years ago, people thought they needed to combine certain foods to get a complete protein. A grain and a legume was a big one, like rice and beans. Now we know that this type of food pairing isn't necessary. See, protein is required for the manufacture, maintenance, and mending of body tissue. And the materials that make up protein are called amino acids. There are 20 amino acids that are found in our food. Our bodies can create 11 of them, but the balance has to be gotten from what we eat. These are called the 9 essential amino acids because it is essential we get them from our diet. So, how do we get them? We get them from legumes, vegetables, fruits, seeds, nuts, and whole grains. It's also a misconception that we need a lot of protein in our diets. We do not. A Harvard study showed that a diet high in protein was responsible for a significant decline in kidney function. The protein was animal protein, but overdoing it with plant protein will not have that harmful outcome. The point is, you don't have to be so concerned about it. If you are particularly active and athletic, then you should increase your plant protein a little bit to maintain muscle mass. But in general, only 5% of your total calorie intake should be protein. And that's very easy to do. And it's very easy to overdo. For instance, the other day I had savory oatmeal with onion and mushrooms, an apple, carrot, cabbage salad, kale salad with pinto beans and tomatoes, and an oil-free vinaigrette. Oh, and I had a little piece of pumpkin pie with a seed crust for dessert. And it was 2,000 calories, the whole thing, 10% of which was protein. So see how easy it is to overdo the protein? See how easy it is to get your protein? And being that it is plant-based protein, it's easy to digest and therefore not going to harm your body, or more specifically, your kidneys, which processes the protein that you eat, half cup. Now, according to Dr. Joel Fuhrman, who wrote Eat to Live, you should have a half cup of beans every single day. He says this prevents cancer and diabetes. Quinoa is a seed, not a grain, as some people mistakenly think, and is also a great source of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. We'll see you in the next video.